The following segment is sponsored by Ward MD and Form Derm Spa.
I am here with Dr. Ward with Ward MD and Form Derm Spa. Okay, new year, new you. We always hear this, right, Dr. Ward? You have a new and exciting program to help people feel their best.
We do. It's called the Form Transformation Program.
I see what you did there, transformation. I like it.
And we are really excited about it because I'm a facial plastic surgeon. Most of what I do is changing people's faces. And it's really easy to kind of pat myself on the back and be excited about the change they have on their nose or their cheeks or whatever. The thing, though, that I've noticed is that the people who are the most happy, it's almost like the surgery has prompted them to move to other changes in their life.
To look at the whole thing.
Yes, and so they're the patients who come back and like, oh, we might have fixed a little bump on their nose, but then all of a sudden they lost 15 pounds and they are working out more or they're working on their relationships. We are trying to really harness that. We believe that our job in what we do at the Derm Spa and in my practice as a facial plastic surgeon is trying to improve lives. And we want to improve all their lives, not just like the little bump on their nose, but we want them to be ready to go. So this program, I'm so excited about it. I think it really encapsulates a lot of the things that hurt us. And those things that hurt us are when we live in pain because we're not in the right fitness or we're carrying a little extra weight. We don't want that. So we've got this really amazing program that we've developed where it's attacking weight and fitness in like 8 different directions to get people the results they need.
That is awesome because, you know, not only does it show physically and you just feel it, but mentally, you know, it's wearing on you and your confidence. You want to make sure that we're confident when we walk in that room. We feel good, you know, from head to toe.
For sure.
So you're looking at things like hormone balance too.
Right. So there definitely is a medical component and a hormone component to weight problems and fitness problems. So we would definitely want to address those, make sure that people are safe, but also we're addressing any deficiencies. We want to address the mind too. So part of our program is life coaching and trying to get the mindset in the right place. We encapsulate Form Sculpt, which is this electromagnetic treatment that does like in 30 minutes, it does 20,000 crunches, for example, or 20,000 bicep.
That's awesome.
It's amazing. Cool sculpting, as well as photos and a bunch of other things that help people make some progress in little areas so that they can make big changes in their life. It only takes a little bit of change every day to lead to massive changes throughout your life.
That's very true. And we were just talking about this where, you know, maybe in 6, 8, 10 months, you're seeing barely any changes, you know, if you're doing this yourself, but with a team, with experts, it can be lonely doing it yourself. So that's why it's better to have a team to help you.
For sure. And we are so confident in this program that if people do it for a year, if they don't lose at least 10% of their body weight, they get all their money back. Because we are so confident that it works, we know that it works, and we are so happy to be able to share this knowledge and this approach with so many people.
Yeah, and it changes lives, and that's what you're in the business to do, right?
For sure. And I loved what you said a second ago about it's all about confidence. Like when people feel like they're carrying 10, 15, 20, 50 extra pounds, they go into a room or they go into a public setting and they just feel insecure. Like life is too short to live that way. We don't want them to live that way. We want them to live with their very best self and so they can feel confident and inspired to go and live their life's purpose.
Oh, that's amazing. That's what you can do with Dr. Ward. Where can we go for more information and to schedule a consult if we have questions?
Yeah. FormDermSpa.com or look us up on social media, Form Derm Spa.
Perfect. New year, new you. Dr. Ward, thanks so much. Good to see you.